Hello everyone, welcome back again for another math video. So today we're going to calculate a square root of 3025%. Okay, so first we need to remember that 1% equals 1 divided by 100. Okay. So here 3025 equals, we can rewrite 3025 divided by 100. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a simple trick, okay, to multiply numbers. Okay, when you have, for example, 55 multiplied by 55, you multiply those numbers together and you have 25. Okay. And then here 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay. And you multiply 6 by 5 and you have 30. Alright. So 3025 equals, I'm going to rewrite here, 55 square. Okay. And 100 equals 10 square. So here we can rewrite the square, the root. The square root of 3025% equals square root of 55 divided by 10 square equals 55 divided by 10 equals 5.5. And that's our answer. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you later. Bye bye.